Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to convert your Ethereum to USDT on Bitget. All right, the easiest one right here, hover over trade and just click on convert and block trade. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on from, click on the drop down, select Ethereum to, click on the drop down and select USDT. Okay, just like so. Now go ahead and enter the amount of Ethereum that you would like to convert to USDT, for example, 5. Okay, and you will receive this amount of USDT. So if you're happy with that, just click on convert, follow simple prompts, and you're good to go. Now the other option is by going to trade right here, and under spot we have Ethereum to USDT right here. So just click on it, and we're going to sell our Ethereum right here for the best available price. So go ahead over to market. Okay, and once you're in here, make sure that you're under sell and then enter the amount of Ethereum, for example, 5 Ethereum, and just sell it. Okay, now once done, your USD asset right here will update. So if you want to, you can transfer it from your spot wallet to your futures or whatever. Okay, and after that, you should be good to go. And that is how you convert Ethereum to USDT on Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.